It's a beautiful late summer. If you call the first week of September or the second week of September fall, you're an asshole. It's still summer. We still got one more week. It's a beautiful Sunday. Eagles play at 1 o'clock, and we're going to take you guys on a tour. The missus sent me out to go look for a box fan. I ain't buying no box fan. It's too much money in this economy. So I'm going to take you guys to the Quaker City Flea Market. We're going to look for a box fan here at the Quaker City Flea Market. If someone comes up to me and says, "What are you doing?" I'm going to say I'm talking on my phone. I'm also going to look for a record player too. So let's see if we can find. I come here probably once a month. I get bored on Sundays. I don't have work, so hey, I get that. Skeleton. '93 Phillies. Elvis movies. I've been finding out like the past year or two, DVDs are done. You can't buy DVDs anywhere. I mean, you can't. Well, you can buy them anywhere, but they're like $1 now. You can buy 4 for $1 sometimes. It's like the VHS tape. They just give them away now. Look at that. You can own that. No box fan yet. I don't see a box fan. Don Ross baseball cards. Oh my God, I used to have these when I was a kid. Hold on. Pause. All right, we're back. I was a kid. I used to have these on my Christmas tree, and I found one. It was $1. I don't know. For a little book, it's kind of, but the memories will last a lifetime, and that's why I flea market. All right, let's see what else we got. Remember, if you see a box fan, let me know in the comments below, so I come back. You can get a marijuana card now at soaps and it's a 2009 World Series Yankee thing. I don't think we'll ever sell that here.
Want to take them outside? Where? For the car? After you want to get them for your car.
Need a vacuum? I got a vacuum. Does that guy have a tattoo of a beard on his face? Oh. Holy shit, it does. The fucking guy has a tattoo of a beard on his face. Oh my god.
Por la travesura de mi padre, 9 meses tuve yo, con la agonía de mi madre, ella sufría por favor.
I'm creeping along.
Yeah, see, 4 for $1. Pretty good deal. 4 for $1. Not bad. I don't see a box fan. I didn't think that. Hey, dressed up teddy bears. There you are. Look at all the car seats. That's awesome. Box fan? You got a box fan? No, I need a box fan.
No.
Alright. And we're still looking. Alright. No box fans. But you can get a portrait of Kramer. I don't know. Like, can you really sell food at a flea market? Oh, you got a pool. Look at that pool. Uh-oh. Pause. I didn't buy the pool. You don't buy a pool at a flea market, right? That's what I thought. For a box fan. Knives. Damn.
It wasn't only me, it was the iPad.
I don't know more.
Oh! Ho, ho! Pause. Let's see what they want. So they wanted 10. And it's a fan from the 80s. So I'd rather just buy a new one from this century. And not I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Set my house on fire because it's not safe. But look, this is the Quaker City Flea Market. We're gonna go inside, and there's like an inside part of this flea market. It has like a really weird vibe. They have these stores. They have like mostly like sports memorabilia and like horror stuff, comic books. And this used to be a billboard in Wildwood for Dracula's Castle, which was like my favorite ride in Wildwood. Yeah, my bad. Mankind's thing.
Hey, how you doing? Good, how are you? Pretty good. How old are you? You know, you said, well, for you I will, but I don't want to play anymore.
Really old wrestling toys. Magazine. Hungry? They got a food court here too at the Quaker City Flea Market. Get a hot dog for $1.25, cheese dog $1.75. Shop small. No luck with the box fan yet.
I said, put your hands on your head. I don't speak Spanish. You're from Ecuador and you don't speak Spanish?
This is it's only open from 1 to 4 on Sundays.
You want to go around here or go inside?
You ain't taking the check.
Looks like I'm shit out of luck. No box fan for us. Keep the air conditioner in the window for another week or two, and then we'll let God cool us off with the cool breeze. We get paint, big ass microwave, more DVDs. Well, that was disappointing. I usually get something. Well, I did get something. I got that little book, which I probably already lost. Nah, no box fan. But that's it. That's my experience at the Quaker City Flea Market in Philadelphia. It's on Tacony Street and I think it's Street or State Road. I always get those two confused, Street and State Road. I think it's State. It's State, because Street goes this way, State goes that way. So if you would have come and joined the festivities of the Quaker City Flea Market, you too can come down. I'm sure they have you can buy art, but don't hit the like button. Matter of fact, hit the dislike button. This video sucked. I'm really disappointed in this one. I thought it would be. I had a really good experience last week, and Cheryl said, "Hey, why don't you come and make a video here?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's a good idea." This sucks. So if you watch it, if you made it this far, hit the thumbs down. I apologize. I'm gonna post it anyway. They all can't be winners. It's fucking YouTube. It's not CBS or ABC. So hit the thumbs down. Subscribe. Some of them most of my videos are a little bit better than this. And toodles.